Hi, my name is Rose. Today I'm gonna talk about the captivity of Mary Rowlandson. She was born in 1637 in England. She married Joseph Rowlandson in 1654, and she had three children. Mary Rowlandson remarried in 1679 to Captain Samuel Tuckett. Book was writing to retell the details of Mary Rowlandson's captivity and the rescue in their context of religion's faith. She published only one book in her life, and then this book became one of the best-seller books of the time, also occupied an important position in the history of American literature. Mary Rowlandson traveled about 150 miles from Lancaster to Master, then headed north to Northfield across the Connecticut River with King Philip Mid-Condom himself. Next, she travels to the stores with the part of New Hampshire, south to Monmouthset, and the north to Wanset. The time they fifth removed was when the British Army chose some of the most cunning people and then sent them back for British Army to participate in. The rest escaped. They came to the river. When all of the companies come together, she wants to count them. But they are so many and then they are keeping moving, which is beyond her skill. During the trip, Hepburn was a little fevered because of her wounds. She feels weak, and this was really cold time. He hadn't eaten anything for 2 weeks, but in the third week, she finally ate some food or she will be dead. She needs to take note of the strange pluralist of God in Purthwing, the heathen. The people listened to her word. She had already served their enemy and turned to their enemy. Thank you for watching my video.